to Monanan present here. I am M. Kausalya, CEO of Vimaco Company. Our product is spectacles. Our motto is the art of vision. It is a startup company. We can see briefly about our product through our general manager, Mr. Vincent.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Vincent Murthy. I am the general manager of Vimaco Company and I am here to present our product, Vimaco Spectacles. About our company, premium stylish areas of product manufacturing. We are most focused in maximum comfort with premium looks for a clear vision. That's our main motto for our company. And very stylish design for all products. Vision and scope of our Vimaco company. Our main mission is to expand our company on the online marketplace to compete with our competitors. And our scopes are making a fantasy and tech-based solutions for our problems. Warranty details for our product is in our Vimaco we providing a 1 year warranty with a 3 year of service. It is very helpful to compete with other spectacle companies like as we all said the free service. The free service is one of the major key to penetrate into our market and our target audience. We are in our Vimaco company we are targeting our audience as all age group categories. And this is namely said as students, professional working places, and also senior citizens. Students are includes the age category of 15 to 25. These students, we all know about the teenagers because they all are in very active in social media. They are very based fully on budget friendly and very stylish. As well as the working professionals. Working professionals are very based in professionals are mostly in our basic category of 25 to 45. These are working people are mostly based on IT. These IT techs are mostly focused in premium products and as well as comfortable products. In our Vimaco company, we provide more comfortable products as well as UV protection products. And senior citizens are mostly like to afford reading glasses. These reading glasses are very useful to comfortable to them to read papers and articles etc. Product specialty. In our Vimaco, we are providing ultra light fiber and TR resistance, scratch resistance as well as UV protection. These are the specialties of our product as well as with 1 year warranty. Competitive strategies. By using the competitor's weakness as our the high price. The high price is very affordable in our Vimaco company because our competitors are very at high cost and no brandings, but we are very premium as well as there is a basic design they provide at affordable price. But we are providing a very premium stylish look with trend-driven models. So this is our very huge impact and advantage as a competitor. Sales expansion plan. Sales expansion plan as a corporate eyewear package and kids production series are very most based on sales expansion plan. And the advantages. Advantages are stylish plus budget friendly. Because as I said, Vimaco company is providing very affordable price. Since our company is very useful to wear any kind of market. As I said, no, because Vimaco is a very professional and stylish to the eyewear sector. Since we are a startup company, we are going on a very budget friendly and stylish products to attract the teenagers as well as to stand on the market and comfortable for very long hours because it is very focused on very professional workers because they wear glasses for many long hours. It shows that by wearing that is very comfortable and you Bluetooth glasses. Bluetooth glasses are very useful to tech professionals and designers because they are more focused on computers and marketing strategies. Marketing strategies, first of all, I'm going with an offline strategy. Offline strategies is like free eye campaign. Because by making an eyewear campaign, it will promote our product to know about it. It was established and very good to among the customers. It makes our product available at B2C, business to customers. The company was and we are providing marketing strategy online as providing Instagram short reels and YouTube ads, etc. In nature, because since it has a strict quality check, we are providing very high quality in our professional way. And our manufacturing hub was in Chengalpattu, Marmanagar. As I said, we are since a sort of company because why we choose the Chennai means because it is near to Chennai. Chengalpattu is very near to Chennai and it is very easy to export it to all the companies. So capital estimation is the setup capital was 3.5 lakhs to 5 lakhs and monthly turnover is 80,000. The cost per unit was is very low because we are producing lot of spectacles. The cost per unit was 350 and 800, 350 to 800. Our profit margin of retail is 35% and 25% to 50%. It is our retail profit margin. We are exporting to Australia. Why Australia? Leadership in global software. Australia is the leader in global software industry. We all know that because and the economy of the industry is the economy of the Australia is fully based on software industry. It is second majority in economy in Australian economy. Pricing in Australia. The retail price in Australia is in India is rupees 1,000 to 2.5. The reading drugs are available in rupees 200 and the blue kit combo is available at 1,500 to 2,500. Since we are a startup company, we are launching our product. So the launch of offer is buy two and buy two at 1,200. The available products of our company was rimless frame, stainless, the rimmed frame, full rimmed frame, semi-rimmed frame and rimless frame. The full rimmed frame consists of stainless steels and fiber, plastics, etc. That was sold in a production stage. And track us on Instagram, WhatsApp and Twitter. Thank you. I'm forwarding the presentation to our marketing manager.
Welcome to Marco, the art of vision. Discover stylish, quality eyewear. 1 year warranty. Buy 2 pairs for 1,200 rupees plus free service. Explore diverse frames, rimless, semi-rimless, full rim designs. Crafted from fiber, plastic, steel. Fogless, flexible glasses. Quality vision accessible. Eyeglasses from just 999 rupees. For clear reading, glasses from 199 rupees. Follow at i.thras617 at idra.official or call 8870263740 for your pair.
Any queries? Anyone?
What type of glass material to manufacture this product? Glass material.
Actually, we are producing TR90 as a material. It is a glass material. Any other? Anyone?
How to separate carbon glass and reading glass are not any different?
No, sir. So, carbon and reading glass are it comes under rimless products because carbon comes under semi-rimmed and rimmed products. Glass reading glass are rimless products. The boards are another types. That is already mentioned. Thank you.